Oh my gosh, a winding road. Figure out how to get this light on. Maybe you have to like really step in. No? No. There's this. I got a really bad eczema reaction a couple of days ago. It's starting to go down now, but you can tell it's like my face is like really red as if I have a sunburn, and it's itchy and annoying. Whoa. Maybe they're just special rooms. We don't get special rooms. Oh, it's dark. Okay. There is a very strange smell in here. Just looking for food to bring to the hotel. I got apple cider vinegar to help with my skin. Harry Potter pamphlet. We're going to the Warner Brothers studio on Friday, so you guys will see that. Because we didn't want to go to a restaurant, we just kind of wanted to stay here and just kind of mellow out. Egg, tomato, and spinach on red pepper bread. This is for me. And then we have like 2 of these bars for when we're out doing shenanigans out in London. This isn't wine. I don't drink that often, so instead I drink raw organic apple cider vinegar, and it's kind of disgusting, but I'm going to dilute this in water to help with my skin, to just calm it down and help cure it. So I'm gonna get some water from the lobby of the hotel and just drink that. I'm just gonna get ready for the day. We're going around Kensington, and then after we're going to see Wicked. So yeah.
I guess it's really meant to be. How the way things are, your love has got a...
We are currently at the Science Museum here in London.
No one can explain, it's all just such a mystery. And I don't have a clue, 'cause love has got a hold on me.
We are using it to learn more about our own planet.
This world to let me free. Hold on me. If it's written in the stars, I guess it's really meant to be. How the way things are, your love is...
We're such tourists. We're like, ooh, ah.
How the way things are, your love has got a hold on me. No one can explain, it's all just such a mystery. And I don't have a clue, 'cause love has got a hold on me.
This is insanely beautiful. My goodness. Right at the gates. Kensington Palace. He's just chilling on top of there.
Let me try to...
Little crow guy.
Hold
Lovely. Yep, just through that door and take a right.
Okay, thank you.
Your love has got a hold, love has got a hold on me. Your love has got a hold, love has got a hold on me. Your love has got a hold, your love has got a hold.
I have to say, Wicked in the West End is by far the best show I've seen. It was so good. So I can cross that off my bucket list. I bought this new cream for my skin, and I'm hoping that if I put that on tonight that it'll be like fully clear tomorrow, but I guess we'll see. So yeah, gonna go shower and get ready for bed and just chill out for a little bit, getting ready for tomorrow, which will be a very touristy day.